How's it going today, guys? My name is Max. I work at Park Place Motor Cars in Rochester. We specialize in BMW, Audi, and Volkswagen. We thought about having a fun little competition today, get the public involved a little bit. So we want to see which of these vehicles you guys think sound the best. We have the X6M competition, Audi RS5, and then an M8 competition. So let's go ahead and see what we got here. Not bad, not bad. Let's go over to the RS5. Not bad either. Now we got the M8 competition. Oh wow. So what'd you guys think? Comment down below. Let us know what you thought was the best sounding one, and look forward to seeing you guys in the store.